It's information regarding a vehicle one in the stabbing. It's near you on Thomas and Cicero. It's a black Nissan Pathfinder with a roof rack and silver rims. It's 2252's job.
99, I'll let you know if I come across it.
And 1131 for info. He's driving on one rim and it's a huge cloud of smoke, so he shouldn't be able to miss the vehicle.
Where's the vehicle spot?
Last location was Thomas and Cicero. It's a black Nissan Pathfinder riding on one rim with a cloud of smoke behind it. Let me get the plate information. Northbound Kilpatrick and Augusta for that vehicle. The driver should be bald. And again, a Nissan Pathfinder is black, busted tire, heavy front end damage, riding on one rim. Should be a cloud of smoke behind it. Passenger, the driver is bald.
April 15th, 2023. Chicago police officers respond to a priority call regarding a violent stabbing suspect fleeing in a black Nissan Pathfinder riding on a bare metal rim. Moments after tracking the smoking abandoned vehicle to an alley near Thomas and Karloff, officers on the ground spot the suspect fleeing on foot, sparking a high-stakes pursuit into a tight residential block. But with law enforcement closing in from all angles, the chase ends in sudden violence. As the suspect turns to face the officers, gunfire erupts.
11, 6, 2 to 8.
10-1, 10-1, shots fired, shots fired!
Get the fuck back! Get the fuck back!
Shots fired, shots fired!
3800
Fuck! Fuck!
3800.
Get an ambulance over here. Get an ambulance over here.
Leave
the gun, bro.
They're gonna have to come up.
It's fine, just, you have it now, you have it now.
Yeah, I have it.
Holy fuck. Get an ambulance over here now, come on, grab him.
Okay, we're getting the one over there, 3800 block of Floyd Lane.
Come on, turn over, turn over.
And what? Get the cars over here.
Fuck! We need a medic, we need a medic.
The gunshot caused immediate panic, and a bystander screams after seeing the suspect get hit. People fear more shooting as backup police arrive with their guns pulled out.
3800 block of Floyd Lane, get the 10-1, 300 block of Floyd Lane.
Don't touch my fucking.
10-1, get cars over here.
300 block of Floyd Lane, get more cars, 300 block of Floyd Lane, it's a 10-1, 10-1.
Let the ambulance come, bro. Let the ambulance come.
Get a med kit! Bonder!
Man, why y'all shooting? Chill, bro. Chill.
Yeah, grab him, dog! Get a knife back, let's go!
A man in a black tracksuit charges up the stairs and freezes upon spotting the wounded suspect. His shock instantly turns into raw, gut-wrenching screams of panic.
10-1, 300 block of Floyd Lane, we get more cars. 1131, start heading over there. Wait. Gee, show us how we can 1124, gotcha. What's on well? 7.10, guys.
Get cars over here, it's 10-1, shots fired by the police. We need an ambulance over here in the rear alley of the 3800 block of fucking Flournoy.
281 over there. 3846 on Flournoy. 3846 on Flournoy.
Fuck!
10-4. 1115. 10-4. 36 on Flournoy and run an ambulance. 3846 Flournoy. Carter Harrison, track squad on the highway. There's a shot fired from that's on the alley, from the highway.
You have the gun, right?
Yeah, I had it. He's dead.
Fuck!
I swear to God, y'all straight, bitch. Y'all straight, bitch. Don't touch me.
Come on, bro, he's being nice, come on. Just come over here, that's it.
Don't get tough, bitch ass.
Good? Yeah.
Davey, is an officer hit? No officer hit. Officer right. Waiting an ambulance for the offender. Okay, 10-4.
We just need a
Everybody else can get a perimeter around the alley. Get everybody out of this alley. Okay, all units respond to get a perimeter around the alley and move from the alley and get a perimeter around the alley. Will the police shoot the offender or no?
6-2, David.
6-2, David, go ahead.
That's right. We're going to block off from Independence to whatever 37 is, and then block this north alley all the way down to Flournoy.
Independence to 37 and alley to Flournoy, 10-4. And did the officer do the shooting, David?
Good. I don't have my phone, but okay.
Instantly plunging the quiet residential block into absolute chaos. As sirens wail and backup units swarm the alley, terrified bystanders scream in a state of sheer panic. Officers struggle to secure the volatile perimeter while managing an aggressive and unpredictable crowd.
10-4, we get another one rolling.
Hey, be sure there's room for the ambulance.
All units on scene, make room for the ambos.
It ends up over here off of here. If the ambulance can pull in this north alley, and then just start moving some squad cars to the ambulance and get it. But back in the north alley of Flournoy, I'll get that ambulance this way. Yeah.
4604 zone 10.
I got an ambulance coming for you, alright? Over here.
I would say to any outstanding offenders from that shooting.
Fucking Macoma grabs a fucking gun. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Secure that. Not right now. Don't worry about it.
Tension fills the air as officers stand guard, their focus entirely on securing the scene. They remain in constant communication, awaiting the arrival of medical personnel to provide critical aid to the wounded suspect.
Hey, Sarge, you want us to over here?
Car and you're going to independent and shut this all down. Let's shut it all down.
Man. Artie's over there. All right? Yeah, whatever. Just take a breath, take it easy.
Here's the independent.
1173.
Just breathe. Yeah. All right, good. I'm good.
Yeah, we'll take care of the independent. Shut it down.
You got an ambulance coming for you too.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. 100%.
Once we got South County independent shut down with the parkway here, we go this for the ingress with the EMS and for staging for
Okay, 10-4.
What if there's new headgear in the alley?
You okay?
Finally, the urgency breaks as a Chicago Fire Department ambulance pulls into the alley, lights flashing against the brick facades. Officers quickly clear a path, ensuring the medical team has immediate access to the victim in their race against time. Bullet wounds instantly dropped the suspect, but the race to save his life succeeded. Paramedics arrived just in time. He was later booked and faces multiple felony charges for his actions that day.